Timve zomwe makambirana ku mzinda wotchedwa Davos omwe machitika ndi chaka pokambirana kuti pa dziko lapansi pakhale ndalama imodzi.
About to, and I'll say this boldly, we're about to abandon the traditional system of money and accounting and introduce a new one. And the new accounting is what we call blockchain. It means digital. It means having a almost perfect record of every single transaction that happens in the economy. But also, this new money will be sovereign in nature. Most people think that digital money is crypto and private. But what I see are superpowers introducing digital currency. The Chinese were the first. The US is on the brink, I think, of moving in the same direction.
Ndiyeno anthu asatanawa ngati ukutsutsana nawo iwo ndi ize kukubloka mu system.
We realized that their main goal was a digital currency and a cashless society. It was the subject of several documentaries.
The ultimate goal that these people have in mind is the goal to create a one world government run by the banking industry, run by the bankers. Right? There'll be no more cash. And this is getting me straight from Rockefeller himself. This is what they want to accomplish. And all money will be in your chips. And if you're like me or you, and you're protesting what they're doing, they can just turn off your chip. And you have nothing. You can't buy food. You can't do anything. It's
that many central banks are embarking on. The idea of a digital currency is that we have physical cash. People use physical cash, whether it's domestically or whether it's through a platform between this country and another country. The idea about digital currency is that it's meant to be almost a digital version of cash. And it's really this digital version of cash is that what ultimately central banks are experimenting.
Ndikuwelenga muchivumbuluso 13 verse 17 ndikuti munthu sangakhoze kugula kapena kugulisa koma iye yekha wakukhala nacho chilembo ndilo zina la chilombolo. Ndipo posachedwa apa panali msonkhano waukulu kusayinira mapepala kuti pakhale chipembedzo chimodzi pa dziko lapansi. Kunali kusayinira mapepala kaya ndiwe wa Buddha, Islamu, Muslim, Christian, kusayinira ndithu kukwanirisa zomwe zinalembedwa mu buku la chivumbuluso.
The Unity of Religion Agreement is a groundbreaking promise of religions to unite unconditionally and without discrimination to achieve true peace. I would like to call upon the following religious leaders to come up to the stage and join us for the signing of the ceremony of the Unity of Religions.
Chivumbuluso 17 verse 13 iwo ali nawo mtima umodzi ndipo apereka mphamvu ndi ulamuliro wawo kwa chilombocho.